Installing nginx tutorial. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on installing and configuring nginx on a Linux server. This guide will take you through the process step by step, from installation to setting up your first website, understanding nginx's architecture, and managing MIME types. Let's dive in. Checking for nginx. Begin by connecting to your Linux server. Verify if nginx is installed with rpm-qa grep nginx. A blank response means it's not installed. Installing epel-release. Check for the epel-release package with rpm-qa grep epel-release. If it's missing, install it using apt-get install epel-release. Installing nginx. Proceed with nginx installation using apt-install nginx.y. Navigating nginx directory. Use cd cc nginx to access the nginx directory. Explore its contents with ls or ls-delay. Editing nginx configuration. The nginx.conf file is crucial for server configuration. Access it with nginx.conf. Managing logs. nginx's log files, including access.log and error.log, are located in /var/nginx. Understanding these logs is essential for troubleshooting. Master and worker processes. nginx operates using a master process for configuration management and worker processes for handling client requests. This separation enhances performance and reliability. Configuring worker processes. Within nginx.conf, the worker process directive allows you to specify the number of worker processes, optimizing nginx for your server's hardware. Setting up server blocks. Navigate to /nginx.conf.d and create a configuration file for your site, e.g. nanoweb.conf. Configure the server block with your server name and document root. Testing configuration. After setting up, use nginx.t to test your configuration. Ensure there are no errors before proceeding. Reloading nginx. Apply your configuration changes with service nginx reload. Your website should now be live. Understanding MIME types. MIME types tell the server how to handle different file formats. nginx uses the mime.types file for these settings. Configuring MIME types. Familiarize yourself with the mime.types file, where you can add or modify MIME types as needed to ensure proper handling of all file types on your server. Secure nginx installation. Always ensure your nginx installation is secure. Regularly update nginx and your Linux server to protect against vulnerabilities. Optimize performance. Adjust the number of worker processes according to your server's CPU cores. Monitor nginx's performance and tweak settings as necessary. Useful commands. Learn command service nginx status to check nginx's status, and chown arg nginx/example/ to set the proper ownership for web directories. You've learned how to install nginx, configure it for your website, understand its architecture, and manage MIME types. This comprehensive guide provides the foundation you need to get started with nginx on Linux. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or a large-scale web application, these skills will ensure your nginx server is optimized, secure, and ready to serve content to the world. Remember, when using nginx, to always check error logs and copy-paste errors to Google search or an AI if you get really stuck. Check the link in the description for the full notes, tutorial notes, and examples so you can copy and paste easily.